Hey guys, welcome. Hey, thank you for joining me again on my YouTube videos. And you know how much I appreciate you clicking onto my page. So thank you again. This one here is mining one Bitcoin. Okay, this video I wanted to share with you is about investing today, investing now. And you know, with mining one Bitcoin, I found it to be just a little bit more profit from Litecoin. So I thought I would share this journey with you on this platform, mining one Bitcoin. And each one of these here are different contracts or different plans that you could invest your money in. So this this new starter contract is really not that much. It's not a lot at all. And of course the next one, but if you want to, you can convert that into see how much it is in dollar value. So going through the plans, the starter contract, light contract, golden contract, another golden contract plus, Soros contract, Soros contract, Soros contract, Soros contract, and Buffett contract. Now this is where I wanted to come and show you this one. I do know for sure how much I've invested in this. Now I will tell you. The Buffett contract is 1,500 US dollars. So I needed to come up with 2,000, roughly 2,300, I think, something like that. So and I think that was in Australian. So guys, I mean, it's not much, is it? Really, if you think about it. So join this, invest in this one here, Buffett contract. This is the one I started. But if you have a little bit more than me, then continue on to the ones that you can invest just a little bit more. The Buffett contract, which I had to pay 1,500 US dollars on it. The returns that I would be getting is $165 a day. So that's the return that this plan will give out. And that's the profit every day that I will be collecting for 30 days with this contract here, Buffett. Okay, that's the only one I can explain to you about, because this is the one I've put money towards. I did, I think, start off with roughly about $10 in the beginning. Then I went on to Litecoin, but now I found it that of working the figures out, I think I'll come back onto this one. Mining one Bitcoin. Okay, we'll go and show you the dashboard and to see the mining machine there. Now look at those numbers. Isn't that fantastic? Look how fast they're making, you know, mining cryptos. That's what that's doing. And this is my figure here, okay? This is how much so far. Roughly, I think this is about 200. So that was for today's profit, because yesterday I joined. Today, this is the amount I can withdraw. But this video is not about how much I can withdraw. I mean, this video is really important about how to start investing today. So this is what this video is based on, how to start investing today. And these systems work. I can really honestly say that, because I have withdrawn from this, and I have also withdrawn from my Litecoin. So if you work out the figures yourself, guys, click onto my links, go onto my YouTube videos and watch some of them and compare them to this one here, and then decide for yourself. So what I've done is I have invested some money into Litecoin as well, but I've just moved over to try the Bitcoin mining. And so this is what I found, that it does have a bit more profit on it. This is so important that I wanted to share this video for you to start investing today. Start investing today if you want a change for your future, if you want to see some changes happening in your life as well. And also, I mean, money working for you while you sleep. Isn't that amazing? So anyway, thank you again for joining me on my page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see the next one. The next one I will be doing a withdrawal and actually showing you the amount, for depending if it's tomorrow, how much I've earned within the 2 days. So please join me again in my videos, subscribe to my page, and click onto my links below the video, and we'll see you again back on my YouTube videos, guys. Thank you so much again for joining me.